Hi, my name is Ian Engelman, owner of Insightful Products here in Scarborough, Maine. And we're making this video to show the difference between an FDM printer and an SLS printer. This is an FDM printer, and this FDM printer uses filament that runs through into an extruder and builds over time to create your three-dimensional part. The problem that we found is we couldn't, over years of trying and experimenting, find plastic that had the bonding qualities and the strength qualities we needed for a quality product. ABS is a type of plastic that most people, hobbyists, are using when using an FDM printer because it's very easy and you get a high success rate. The problem is you end up with a part that's very brittle and it's not very strong and there's no flexibility. So what you can see from our SLS printer is parts that are much more detailed and more flexible and stronger. Check out this chainmail like piece. This is very fine detail. There's little rings that are already interlocked, comes right out of the machine like that. And this can only be done with an SLS printer. You can't do anything like that with the old FDM. And this is a significant and superior methodology for creating three-dimensional parts. You can see this clip here. It's printed. And check out this universal joint, all printed in one piece, already assembled. So it's a very powerful mechanism and production tool for making masks, ventilators, or parts in this situation that we find ourselves in.